Yeah, hello and welcome back to another certified OG Schaefchen video. We are here at Düsseldorf Airport because we're on a very big mission today. This might actually be one of the most important days in my last 2 years. Like, I am already wearing my new merch, as you can see, and this should also probably give you a hint on what's about to happen. Yeah? Because today, it's coming out on the 6th of October, by the way. Because today, we're actually looking at my R34 Skyline GTR VSPEC2 for the very first time in nearly 1.5 years.
Yeah.
It's been standing at MPS Performance. They've been rebuilding it from completely new. So the car is basically brand new, which is crazy.
Better than new.
It's better than new. You will see. Oh, also we have to wait for Mani, for the other Mani, because he missed his flight here. We also nearly missed our flight, so we don't really have to talk that much. Anyway, we're gonna get a rental car, drive there, and then we're gonna show you the car. I am very fucking nervous. Honestly, I couldn't sleep tonight.
Yeah.
I got some videos and pictures of it already. You'll see. So, we found our car at least, the rental car. That was a bit more complicated than it should have been. The car is equipped with winter tires for some reason. Yeah, we're gonna pick up Mani now, the other Mani, and then we're gonna drive to MPS. So, we are now here in front of MPS Engineering. I'm so fucking nervous. I kind of saw it already a little bit, but I can't wait to show you guys. So what they did, basically, they rebuilt my complete car. Anyway, let's get inside.
Yeah.
Come here. Honestly, I'm so nervous. One of my favorite cars, always been a dream car of me. And I always wanted to have a clean one. By the way, quick backstory. I took my car to Finland 1.5 years ago, or Sweden, and drifted a little bit on ice, and then my engine blew up. Since then, so for 1.5 years, the car's been standing. Nothing happened. I wanted to completely rebuild it. And then MPS hit me up on Instagram, May of this year, picked up my car and did everything. So come inside, honestly. This car's just so insane. It's not 100% finished yet, but we have a bit of time troubles because my car has to be finished tomorrow. So check it out. Some minor details are missing, but apart from that, the car is completely. So this is the legend, by the way. Hi!
How are you guys?
Yeah, he speaks a little bit of English, which is very new for most of the German mechanics that we hang around with. If you look in here, you see my completely new engine, which is a R32 block, right?
No, this.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe R34 GTR. R32 or R34 GTR, reinforced block,
Yep.
forged pistons, rods, everything balanced with CNC ported head. It's complete our stage 3 head with bigger valves, CNC ported, valve springs and stage 3 camshafts. Perfect condition.
Oh yeah.
We'll see how much horsepower is pushing out. We're taking it to the dyno later, but I mean, just look at it. It's so fucking good.
Yeah, it's insane.
Everything is completely new. Single turbo now. I initially wanted to go with B-turbo, but the
guy.
chief told me that single turbo is the best solution in this engine, so it's single turbo it is. Apart from that, as you can see, the complete car has been repainted. So they took it down to the bare chassis. Everything was stripped out of the car and everything has been repainted. Everything has been made new. We're gonna lift it up into the lift later. You're gonna see the underside of the car. It's like factory new.
Yeah.
It's even better. Inside is still the VSPEC2, which is actually very rare that you have these black seats. So we left them in here. I now have a black roof, which was very important for me because it looked very disgusting in the beginning. Yeah, apart from that. Also have KW V3 suspension in the car now. We have to do it a bit lower because this is
Off-road.
embarrassing.
Off-road.
No. Also my front lip of the car is missing. But this is all gonna come together tomorrow, I guess. So you're gonna see it in the next video. But main thing is the car is running. The car is running great. I saw some videos of it yesterday. We're gonna do some videos for you today as well. I don't even know what to say. I mean, look in here. Just appreciate the details for a minute. Look at this. You have to imagine the work and the hours that they put in. If you do it normally, it's very fucking expensive. This right here is probably now a 400,000 euro car. So this is what 400,000 euros gets you if you want an R34 GTR. Just look how fucking beautiful this is, honestly. This is the only thing that's still disgusting, but that's getting
don't look at
changed
this.
tomorrow.
We have to do 3 to 1,000 things tomorrow.
Yeah.
We have to change the coolant hoses. We have one tube here for the air filter and heat protection for the downpipe. We have a new trigger set up here.
But most of the important things are done.
Yeah, I haven't seen this car since we loaded up in May, and it looked very fucking disgusting in
Yeah.
May. So seeing this car right now like it is just crazy. I wanted to paint it midnight purple at first, but honestly, this color looks so good. Fits the car really well, and now every YouTuber has a midnight purple R34. At least I'm standing out a little bit. Also the Dino wheels. Oh yeah, we have brand new R35 GTR brakes. This combination just looks so insane. There's some few things that are still old that need to be changed, but like I said, we're running out of time because this car has to go somewhere. So, but most of it, it's already. Also, I really love the spoiler now, this setup, and this is very important, I think. The LED lights in the back, because normally you have like those orange blinkers. It's way better like this, in my opinion. Also missing my rear diffuser. And it still has the old exhaust on it. They're gonna change everything tomorrow. Well, this is a dream.
This is really insane.
I've had this car since 2021, so since 2 years now.
Yeah.
And this is always what I wanted. Now I have it.
It looks so amazing.
Yeah. In person,
Yeah.
it's a VSPEC2, which is very fucking rare. So these are cheese on. Ohne Scheiß. Wow, I fucking love this car so much. Also, the car's rear-wheel drive. So that's gonna be interesting.
I love the contrast between the KW and
Yeah,
your
that
color.
looks so good. That looks so good. Might be the cleanest R34 I've ever seen in my entire life.
Yeah.
I'm so fucking in love. Also, there's so many rare parts in the car, like my Nismo intake manifold.
Yeah, that's
like
insane.
The blinkers in front. We're gonna take a quick look on the underside of the car because this is something you really have to see. This is probably the best part of the car. Don't look at the exhaust is gonna get changed anyway. But apart from that, every single thing that you can imagine, everything got freshly painted, freshly done. Every screw is new, everything.
Oh, baby.
This guy doesn't fuck around. I told him I need a brand new car and he said he's gonna make me a brand new car and this is what we have got. Yeah, this is where the magic happens. Obviously it's a bit dirty because he drove it already, but apart from that, so beautiful. Honestly, I think I've never seen something so beautiful in my entire life. I wish you guys could see it in person. Look, and it's also completely protected by wax, so I can drive it in every time of the year. In winter, theoretically, we're gonna see how it turns out. We're gonna dyno it now, and afterwards I can finally take it for a spin, which is gonna be amazing. It's hard for me to describe it, but this is a fucking dream.
The
Honestly,
details.
also, shout out to you though. Those wheels in the car are probably the most beautiful wheels for an R34 I've ever seen in my entire life, in my opinion.
Yeah.
We're gonna need some plates in the back and make it a bit lower in the front. Apart from that,
Get low. Stands nation. Irre. Sehr schön.
anyway, we're gonna take the car to the dyno now to see what horsepower it's pushing. I don't know if I can stand even longer because it's so insane. I don't even know what to say. It sounds so good. It looks so good. It sounds so good. Let's go to the dyno and see.
Yeah.
It's dyno time now, so we're gonna see how much horsepower this thing is pushing out. The sound is gonna be amazing, but it's gonna be even better when everything's done because there's gonna be a different exhaust, but they aren't really done with it yet. So, but it's still, it sounds so amazing already. You're gonna love it, trust me, guys. Also, I want you to notice one thing. You might see some flames coming out the front because we have an open wastegate, which is the best fucking thing ever. Probably the best invention. Open wastegates, teriyaki chicken, number 2. American cars and trucks, number 3. All-wheel drive systems, number 4. Number 5, drifting. Actually, drifting should be number 1. ever had, honestly. Fuck, I love it. Flammen.
Danger to the manifolds.
2 Meter Flammen programmieren. What the fuck? So the car made pretty much 700 horsepower. Amazing. That's exactly how it should be. 700 horsepower. I think it's perfect power for the R34 GTR. But it sounds so good, honestly. I wish you guys could hear it in real life.
Amazing.
Well, the flames were insane. I nearly shit my pants. That's probably one of the best sounding engines ever. Machst du das selber alles?
Ja, sicher.
So the problem right now is, that's why the car was misfiring so much. This needs to be turned a little bit more. So he's gonna do that now, which is crazy. And then we're gonna take it for a ride and hopefully it will ride again.
Das Triggersystem ist dafür da, um die Position des Kurbelwinkels zu ermitteln. Eine Umdrehung hat halt 360 Grad. Bei einer vollsequenziellen Einspritzung brauchen wir 720 Grad beim Viertaktmotor.
Yeah.
Also das heißt 2 Umdrehungen. Und dieser Sensor ist dafür da, um die zweite Umdrehung festzulegen. Und der erkennt auch, wann der OT-Punkt an der Kurbelwelle ist, mit dem unteren Triggersystem zusammen.
Ja, kurzum, damit er weiß, wann er zünden muss.
Richtig.
Yeah, everything is CNC phrased now, CNC machine now.
Raised.
So I'm not gonna say all the issues, but the main issue is solved now. We can drive it a little bit. Not too hard, I don't want to break it now. I'm nervous. Gonna be my first drive with the R34 GTR. So first time driving this car after 1.5 years. Feels a bit weird because the steering wheel is a bit to my left, so I'm sitting like this. But apart from that, it's actually pretty nice. We need a gas station now, and then we're gonna see where we're gonna drive. This is exactly what I wanted my R34 to be. Also, it's very nice because it's very responsive.
Yeah.
Before that, it was very like slow, and if you press the gas pedal, it was like, kind of laggy. Yeah, but now it's. Oh, this car is fucking amazing.
Yeah, it's perfect.
I don't know when I've been so happy with any car in the last years. This is
Yeah.
Ohne Scheiß, ich weiß nicht, was Honestly, I'm very fucking happy with this car, how it turned out. There's a few things that they need to adjust tomorrow, and then this car is going on a pretty big trip. Driving it feels amazing. I don't really know how cornering and everything is, but we're gonna find it out sooner or later. I am very tired. We're gonna go and get some cinematic shots for you guys. Hopefully we don't get pulled over by police. Here in Germany it's a pain in the ass. I really hope it's nothing. I'm very fucking happy that my car is finally back after 1.5 years. This is probably the greatest car I have. and also probably the most expensive. I fucking love this thing, honestly.
Yeah.
It's so cool. It sounds so good. It looks amazing. It needs to be a bit lower, but for now it's okay. Gonna get it lowered sooner or later. Next video you see it's gonna be lowered, but now it needs to be
We
like
ruin
this
it again.
for a very special reason. Yeah, I see you guys in the next video. I hope you had fun. Have fun with the carport.
Yes.
Motherfuck today, bitch, I'm waiting on tomorrow. Dino Time weapon where you gotta get off. Lost in the woods, keep a weapon in the car. Hold it left near the railroad, the forest dizzy more. Addiction off the river, feeling like I'm ready far. Motherfuck today, bitch, I'm waiting on tomorrow. Setting off a long firestorm where I wanna tell me tone it down, don't never hear it, bitch, I'm in the moment, reaper forever sitting right by me. Waiting until it's perfect timing. I'm in roll 360 surveillance at me. She'll never get to me. You know what the consequences when you step it to me. What's the deal? How you feel? What's the deal?